Welcome to Promote Feature Adoption and Discovery, where we unravel the techniques and scenarios surrounding prompts and walkthroughs within the Salesforce platform. By the end of this unit, you'll have the expertise to determine when to utilize prompts and walkthroughs, describe the various prompt types floating, targeted, and docked, and create these engaging in-app guidance components. In our previous discussion, we recognized how prompts and walkthroughs serve vital roles in various user engagement scenarios. Let's delve deeper into their significance within feature adoption and discovery. Prompts and walkthroughs work best when you aim to deliver short, helpful messages, highlighting new or easy-to-adopt features. However, complex or personalized features might not fit this context. It's crucial to understand your user audience and their diverse needs, preferences, and work requirements. Effective prompts and walkthroughs cater to varied user types by providing relevant, non-disruptive guidance. Now, let's distinguish between prompts and walkthroughs. A prompt offers a brief pop-up, guiding attention to a specific feature, while a walkthrough involves a series of connected prompts, providing a step-by-step guided experience. A single prompt suits short messages, while walkthroughs are ideal for explaining a series of connected features or guiding users through multi-step procedures. If you've chosen a prompt as your preferred in-app guidance, you'll decide between three types: floating, targeted, and docked. Floating prompts offer a non-intrusive nudge to users with concise information. Targeted prompts, on the other hand, link to specific page elements for context. Meanwhile, docked prompts remain on screen for user reference while exploring features. Understanding the nuances of prompts and walkthroughs empowers you to engage users effectively based on the feature type and user needs. The diverse prompt types offer tailored guidance, enhancing user adoption and discovery in the Salesforce ecosystem. In the Setup menu, use the Quick Find box and type In-App Guidance. Click on In-App Guidance to access this feature. Inside In-App Guidance, click on Add. In the subsequent steps, choose the Opportunity tab and click Next. Now select the prompt type as Floating Prompt and click Next. In the next steps, provide a title for your prompt. Add a body with relevant information, and name your Dismiss button. Once done, click Next. Review your prompt details and click Save to save the prompt configuration. Now you have the option to add an action button. Provide a label for the action button and configure any additional information. Review all the configured details. If everything looks good, click Save to finalize and save your in-app guidance prompt. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.